Hey, back to Lake District in this absolutely miserable weather. As you can see, we're all kitted up with ponchos as it never stops raining. But we still want to go out, we still want to do stuff. That's why we look like 3 bin bags going for a bit of explore. We've not started walking yet, and you nearly ate all your lunch already.
You still have your lunch. So
My lunch? You're gonna eat my lunch?
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
Why not?
Good luck. Look at this. Some sort of a quarry, I think.
Maybe.
Looks like it. Absolutely never stops raining, so I'm gonna have a quick walk, see what we can see before we get too wet. Oh, look at this bedrock. It's massive. Oh wow, it is slippery, guys. It is for me anyway. I am like on the ice in here. Oh, that is very greasy. Oh, what a wicked spot. What a wicked spot. Look at this. Wow. There's always one person that's gonna stop every 3 meters for a picture. Isn't it?
Exactly.
So the road splits in here and Natalia is showing us the way we need to go. Everybody follow her. Super muddy.
Oh, again.
You still hungry? You want a sandwich? You
Yeah.
want an apple?
Yeah.
There you go. Still raining badly. Not badly, but really fine stuff. The most horrible stuff. Looks really windy and cold over there.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you happy now?
That was a bloody hard
You
job.
happy now?
Put my foot in the wrong side of the trouser. That's what you want when it's pouring rain. Ah, brother, I'm being close. That's ridiculous. Look at it. Let me watch you a bit. Wind with rain. It's horrible. We need to get out of here, out of this open place. It's too windy and wet. Super wet.
And foggy.
Whose idea was it to go out in this rain? Yours?
Oh, yeah.
Yours?
No.
To say that we enjoy it would be an understatement.
Love it.
Yeah, we absolutely love it. Oh, rain in my eyes. Let's wipe you off a bit. Getting exposed to the wind and rain is not very nice. But once you hide from the wind, the rain doesn't bother us too much. Ah. Let me ask the main question. How is everybody? Is everybody enjoying so far? Yeah? Oh, look at this madness.
I don't think it's windy enough.
Quickly, quickly, we must get past this point. It's too windy here. Some scenery just opened up. Look at that.
Batman.
The water has been sculpturing these for thousands of years. Thousands of years.
What time now?
5 to
Oh, it's lunchtime.
2. Let's go hide there behind the rock somewhere. Somewhere over there.
Hey, dinner. What?
Natalia, one thing, we've got no lunch left. You ate it all on the way.
I walk.
I really need a wee.
Go, go, go. Enjoy your wee.
Having a lucky moment with no rain. Been waiting for this. Oh yeah. There we are, the lunch is over. We're gonna crack on. No rain, we've got the ponchos off. Hopefully it'll stay like this for a bit. At least we can see some views. Now we can see some colors. Look at that. The views have widely opened up now. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that.
Come all the way up to the pounder.
Boy.
So far weather playing along with us.
Let's see.
Look at them trees, they've been battling with wind for a long time. Sort of pointing that way. Everything pointing that way. So ladies and gents, this is the Whitbarrow Nature Reserve. And as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. We are so lucky today that we can actually see for miles. Excuse me? Yeah? Yeah? Make what?
Tea.
Tea?
Yeah.
You want tea
Yeah.
already?
Yeah.
You want it here or do you want to go in the forest and make it there where there's no wind?
There's no
Forest.
wind. Look, it's nice.
But wind. Sorry.
You're not sorry.
No, I'm not sorry.
I know.
That works. Believe.
That was close.
I got it on camera though.
That's it. Coffee break is finished. Now we need to start making our way back to the car. There is orange warnings of wind today. Hopefully we can make it to the camp before our tent gets destroyed.
Push it that way.
So there we are, folks. Doing the last stretch to the van. The rain has stopped and we could actually enjoy the rest of our hike in a Whitbarrow Nature Reserve. Yeah, let's just finish this little walk and I'll see you at the van. Our nice little hike at Whitbarrow Nature Reserve is over. Got caught by rain a little bit, but overall was fine. I hope everybody is okay and dry and happy.
Yeah, it wasn't windy enough.
Wasn't windy enough. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!